And we're back here at the stock recap show. It is 9 January 2023, and I'm super excited to get into it today. And before we get into the high flyers, first, super important disclaimer up front. These videos are all for educational purposes only. Okay, trade at your own risk. 9 out of 10 traders lose money. 1 in 3 traders loses 90% or more, and there's no guarantee you're going to make money with this strategy or any other strategy. Don't risk money you can't afford to lose. These results are not typical. We got a high fly ball, and it is out of here. APGN up over 100% today, so huge mover on the day. I would say that's knocked out of the park. We're going to pull up the chart here in a second. APGN, okay? So the daily chart doesn't look all that great. It looks a little scary, actually, except for this big green volume, and it was all buying today. 94 million shares traded. 22 million shares outstanding, so that was about 4 times the company size got traded in volume. And I didn't even see a catalyst for this. I don't love the daily chart. I wouldn't hold this overnight. I'm just saying it was a big move. RVNC, this looks a little better. Its daily chart is definitely on an uptrend. You got higher lows here, higher highs here, and now it's all of a sudden right back at the high, up 54.34%. It's probably going to pull back from here, 24, 26, but I think that's probably a buying opportunity. We'll see as we move into the future here. YRD, so we have all these Murubuzu candles, which has me a little scared because, look, you have 9 days of green, maybe it's going to be followed by 8 days of red or something, okay? So maybe wait for a pullback here, but if this breaks higher in the morning, it could run a lot higher, so it's on watch. Now let's get into the about to break out stocks. It could go and it's off the wall, NSTG, okay? So I'm just going to pull this chart up again here. The daily chart doesn't look all that great. I don't like these about to break out stocks because they're like the also rans, they're second, third runners up, okay? And yeah, I can't get behind this. Fate, this was actually turnaround. This was on the scary stock list just last Friday, okay? So now here it is on one of the about to break out stocks. I'm not totally convinced. I would wait and see what happens here, but if it gaps higher, and it could run at the open is what I'm saying. So maybe not the best shorting opportunity, but VRDN is the next one. This is probably my favorite chart of the day. It's up 20%, kicker pattern to new highs. VRDN, this I've been tracking this company for a little while. They just announced some positive data not too long ago, so good catalyst. 5 times relative volume, not up crazy like 100% or anything. It's just up 20%. So we're looking to watch this tomorrow for another continuation candle. Maybe a Murubuzu candle to new highs would be nice. And now let's get into the scary stocks. Ay caramba. HKD was really not looking great today, on 35%. SURS down 28%. Cutter down 23%. And I actually am curious about the scary stocks from 2 days ago, because of PRTY. I'm actually pretty excited to see like where they went. PRTY, because I was looking, okay, up 15%. Wow, that's pretty good bounce. They were talking about bankruptcy. That's why I was like, what's going on here? The ranges are huge. You got some volatility here, so that's good for traders, good for day traders trying to make a profit here. Maybe not an overnight hold either, though. And Bed Bath & Beyond was another bankruptcy candidate, so it was up 23%. So cool. I wonder what happened. I'm going to look into this a little bit later. Rallies despite looming specter of potential bankruptcy. So that's it for the scary stocks. If you're looking to accelerate your trade knowledge, you can book a call on FridayTraders.com.